Hey guys, I'm Michael.
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Brandon.
And we are very excited to do a big announcement. So at Island Head, we've always focused on the customer experience. And now we are announcing a new branch to our business. We have partnered with former employee Brandon Greenplate, who is a specialist here on Hilton Head in the real estate industry, to bring this short-term rental from South Forest Beach. Let's go inside.
Absolutely, let's check it out. Welcome to One Laurel Lane, located on South Forest Beach, the last street before the back gate of Sea Pines. Like Michael and Taylor said, we can't wait to show you guys this property and what we've been working on. So just a quick rundown with it. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, 5 houses back from the beach, directly on the beach path with a private pool. Came in here and we changed it from really a long-term rental to the ultimate short-term vacation home for big families, get-togethers, or just a small, quiet getaway here at the most beautiful beach on the East Coast, Hilton Head Island.